Mom, why is the light yellow today?
Because it is evening. The sun goes down slowly.
It feels softer.
Evening light does that. It makes things calm.
My eyes like it.
Mine too. It helps me rest.
Do your eyes get tired?
Yes. They look at many things all day.
Like me. At school.
Exactly like you at school.
School is loud today.
Was it a busy day?
Yes. Everyone talks at the same time.
That can make your head feel full.
My head feels full now.
Then this room can help you.
How?
By being quiet and warm.
The couch is warm.
It keeps our heat.
Your hand is warmer.
Because it holds yours.
I like when you hold my hand.
I know. You squeeze a little.
So, you don't go.
I am not going.
Even when the clock is loud.
Even then, the clock only counts time.
I hear it tick.
It says the day is almost done.
I like days ending.
Endings help us rest.
What happens after resting?
We wake up again.
To another loud day?
Maybe loud, maybe not.
I hope it is quiet.
We can make quiet moments.
Like now?
Like now.
Mom, do you like evenings?
I do. They slow me down.
You are slow now.
Because I sit with you.
Do I make you slow?
In a good way.
I don't want you to be tired.
Sitting like this helps me.
Really?
Yes, I breathe better.
I breathe better too.
I can hear it.
My breathing sounds funny.
It sounds calm.
Can we stay a bit more?
We can stay as long as we want.
Even if it gets dark.
Even then, the lamp will help us.
The lamp is yellow too.
Yellow feels like home.
Is this home?
Home is where we sit together.
Even without toys.
Even without toys.
I like toys, but I like this more.
Me too.
Mom,
Yes,
do you always wait for me?
I always listen for the door.
Even when I am late.
Especially then.
That makes my stomach feel warm.
That is comfort.
I feel comfort now.
I am glad.
Can we do this tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow and many days.
Same couch,
Same couch.
same light,
Maybe different light.
but same you
Always me.
and same me.
You grow, but you stay you.
I like being me here.
I love you here.
I don't want to talk anymore.
That is okay.
Can we just listen?
Yes, let's just listen.